then this product is the right choice. First, let's see the features of this great product.
Few years, and most will only last for one winter. So I'm going to try TaoTronics' new model. It's expected to last for years. TaoTronics Humidifier is new and improved. It uses nano coating to protect the circuit boards from moisture. This extends the life of the humidifier. This big opening makes it super easy to clean. I can reach inside the tank and wipe it thoroughly. I'll clean my humidifier weekly to make sure my kid breathes healthy air. When you're battling allergies or a cold, adding moisture to the air helps you feel better. This TaoTronics model has a 1-gallon capacity, which keeps the machine running all day long. Mist is sent up high into the air, so the table won't get damp. It is so easy to use and has loads of family-friendly features. It's quiet and has no lights, so it's a good choice for my son's bedroom, because it won't disturb his sleep. I can't recommend it enough.
And this is our rating for this product.